Hey guys, Andy here. Now, one of the problems with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is that it's not being released in America. So a lot of these sort of accessories and things that you normally might get with a phone, produced by Americans, made in China or wherever, aren't really available, and that covers skins as well. So dbrand don't have one, Slick Wraps don't have one, well, unless they've changed the last 24 hours. Thankfully though, the good people at the UK-based XtremeSkins, they do. And so I have here kind of a blue and a grey combo to go on the back of my rather slippy Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now, this isn't an instructional video. They have quite a good instructional video on their website, so do go and see that if you're wanting to know how to fit it. This is more about how it looks. I mean, I'll show you, I'm going to film me fitting it, but to be honest, the camera gets in the way sometimes when you're trying to line things up, so I don't want to try and do that and compromise the install. So let's just get cracking then. They actually sent me 3 different camera cutouts, which is quite nice. The sort of matte grey is the one I wanted to go for. I quite like the look of that as a colour combo. We do have the alcohol white pad, so I'm going to clean off the back of the device first of all, then get all the alcohol off. We're then ready. Now it says the first task is to remove the cutouts. I found the best way is just to pull the main thing off, not to actually try and get the cutouts out. You'll notice there's a rectangular, I don't know quite why they've done that. I mean, well, I know why they've done it, it's because it's where it says Huawei on the back of the phone, but it looks a bit ridiculous with a black rectangle with the writing in. So I actually fill the gap in with the cutout that came out from there. Yeah, that just looks terrible. Please, XtremeSkins, change that design. So let's go ahead. I'll do the same thing with the camera portion. And a couple of bits I need to kind of prod out with a pencil. But that was easy enough, and it seemed to go on without too much trouble first attempt. I did do a bit of the old hairdryer around the device as well. I've got it slightly like a fraction of a millimetre too low, I think. You can see there the cutout. I mean, it looks a little bit weird like that, but I think it's better than having the black rectangle staring through. But yeah, it seems a very good fit. It feels really good quality. It feels really nice, in fact. I think the device is now going to be protected when I throw it onto the desk. And yeah, I'm generally really happy with it. The price of the skin with the camera cutout is $7.99. If you just want the back plate, I think it's only £6.50. So they're really well priced for what I think is a very good quality product, up in the levels of dbrand. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. But for now, my name is Andy. I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things, or request me to review things, or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.